everyone! Welcome back to our video lessons in front office services. After learning about the three, let's have the fourth video lesson on the fourth core competency, which is conduct night audit.
This unit deals with the skills and knowledge required to check and reconcile daily financial transactions and records and produce reports relating to establishment operations and revenue. The key elements include process internal financial transactions and complete routine records and reports.
In hotel management, a night audit refers to the daily assessment of all financial transactions that took place at the front desk. The night auditor could be a senior front desk employee, manager, or an accounting staff who monitors daily cash flow, guarantees the accuracy and completeness of front office accounting, and records daily charges and payments which are done in the late evening or early morning hours. How to conduct a night audit? Here's a video tutorial for you.
The typical procedures that are part of the night audit process include the following standard steps. Complete outstanding postings. Reconcile room status discrepancies. Balance all departmental accounts. Verify room rates. Verify no-show reservations. Post room rates and taxes. Prepare required reports. Prepare cash receipts for deposit. Clear or back up the system and distribute reports. Complete outstanding postings. To conduct posting, an activity of processing guest charges and payments, the night auditor must check the guest follows. Posting is done by adding or subtracting guest charges and payments to his or her account. For example, availing or consuming chargeable room items such as beverages or ordering food items, may it be in the restaurant or under room service. Reconcile room status discrepancies. The night auditor is responsible for examining the front office and the housekeeping room status reports to align and confirm the occupancy status of all rooms for a specific night. Balance all departmental accounts. It is more effective for a night auditor to first reconcile all departmental accounts before identifying specific posting errors in any department that is out of balance. For example, Food and Beverage Department report must contain a summary of all transactions with corresponding attachments. Examples, order slip, and sales invoice. Verify room rates. The night auditor should match the registration records against the room report generated by the system. For example, the rate of the standard room should be the same as being input in the reservation form and computer system. Verify no-show reservations. The night auditor must conduct clearing reservation files and posting charges to no-show accounts or guaranteed reservations. Post room rates and taxes. Posting room rates and taxes takes place typically at the end of the day. In a system-generated hotel, the room rates and taxes are automatically posted once end of day has been processed, wherein it cannot be undone or cancelled. In this way, the night auditor must review thoroughly all the guest chargeable transactions. Prepare required reports. The night auditor should prepare reports that reflect the status of front office activities and operations. Example, the daily operations report summarizes the day's business and provides insights into revenues, receivables, operating statistics, and cash transactions related to front office. Prepare cash receipts for deposits. The night auditor must prepare cash deposit voucher along with proper cash payment posting and actual cash on hand. Clear or back up the payment. At least 2 guest lists must be printed for backup and emergency use, one for the front desk staff and operations manager. It may be backed up through different media platforms such as hard disk drive or online drive. And lastly, distribute reports. To ensure confidentiality of documents, reports must only be submitted to the authorized staff such as the accounting manager and operations manager.
Night audit procedures can be carried out manually, mechanically, and electronically. And every hotel establishment has its own standard operating procedure. We are almost half through, and that was all about conducting night audit. Next in line, providing cloud reception services. See you to the next video!